ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। हर हर महादेव। Shravan month Mahatmya, chapter 27. Works to be done during Cancer and Leo solstice. God said, O Sanat Kumar, I am also telling you about the rituals to be performed during the Kark Sankranti and Singh Sankranti in the month of Shravan. All the rivers remain menstruating during the period between Kark Sankranti and Singh Sankranti. Hence, one should not take both bath in them except the rivers going towards sea. Some sages have said that they remain menstruating till the rise of Agastya. Till the time Agastya, the ornament of the south, does not rise, those rivers remain menstruating and are said to have less water. The rivers which dry up in the summer season on earth, one should not take bath in them till 10 days have passed during the rainy season. The rivers whose speed does not automatically increase to 8,000 dhanushas are not known by the word river but are called troughs. At the beginning of Cancer Sankranti, the great rivers remain menstruating for 3 days. They become pure on the 4th day like women. O Muni, now I will tell you about the great rivers. You listen carefully. Godavari, Bhimarathi, Tungabhadra, Venika, Tapi, Payoshni. These 6 rivers are said to be in the south of Vindhya. Bhagirathi, Narmada, Yamuna, Saraswati, Vishoka, Vitasta. These 6 rivers are said to be in the north of Vindhya. These 12 great rivers have originated from Dev Rishi Kshetra. O Muni, Devika, Kaveri, Vanjara, Krishna. These great rivers remain menstruating for 1 day at the beginning of Cancer Sankranti. The river named Gautami remains menstruating for 3 days when Cancer Sankranti occurs. Chandrabhaga, Sati, Sindhu, Saryu, Narmada, Ganga, Yamuna, Plaksha Jala, Saraswati. These rivers with sounds are not affected by menstrual disorder. Shona, Sindhu, Hiranya, Kokil, Ahit, Ghar Ghar and Shatadru. These 7 sounds are said to be pure. Dharma, Dravyamai, Ganga, pure Yamuna and Saraswati. These rivers have hidden menstrual disorder, hence they remain pure in all conditions. This menstrual defect of water does not occur to those living on the river banks. Even the water contaminated by menstruation becomes pure with Ganga water. Goats, cows, buffaloes and women in the state of childbirth and the water at the beginning of rain on the land, these become pure after 10 nights. In the absence of wells and step wells, the water of other rivers is Amrit. Grambhog river does not become contaminated even during the period of menstruation. There is no menstrual defect in the water filled by others. There is no menstrual disorder in Upakarma, Utsarg Karma, in morning bath, in adversities, during solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. O Sanat Kumar, now I will talk about cow delivery in Leo Sankranti. If cow delivery takes place during the transit of Sun in Leo, then the person whose cow delivers dies within 6 months. I will also tell about his peace by which happiness is attained. The cow that delivers should be given to a Brahman immediately. After that, home should be performed with black mustard mixed with ghee. After this, 1008 oblations of sesame seeds soaked in ghee should be offered by Viharatis. Fasting should be observed and Dakshina should be given to a Brahman with great effort. When the sun enters Leo and a cow gives birth in the cowshed, some evil is bound to happen. Therefore, Shanti Karma Anushthan should be performed for its peace. 108 oblations should be made with sesame and ghee with Sukt Asya Vam and the mantra Tad Vishnoho. And 10,000 oblations should be made with the Mrityunjay mantra. After that, one should take a bath with the Shri Sukta or Shanti Sukta. There is never any fear with the rituals done in this way. Similarly, if a mare gives birth during the day in the month of Shravan, then Shantikam should be performed for it also. After that, the defect gets destroyed. O Sanat Kumar, now I will describe the auspicious donations to be made during Cancer Sankranti, Leo Sankranti and Shravan month. Donation of Ghrit Dhenu when the sun is in Cancer and donation of umbrella with gold when the sun is in Leo is considered to be the best, and donation in Shravan month is said to give the best results. For the happiness of Lord Sridhar, ghee pot, Ghrit Dhenu and fruits should be given to a learned Brahman in Shravan month. For my happiness, donations made in Shravan month give more everlasting fruits than the donations of other months. There is no other month as dear to me as this in the 12 months. When Shravan month is about to come, I wait for it. The person who observes fast in this month is very dear to me because the moon is the king of Brahmins, the sun is the visible god of all. Both of them are my eyes. Which month has more significance than the one in which both the Sankrantis of Cancer and Leo fall? The person who takes a morning bath for the entire month in the Shravan month, he gets the benefit of taking a morning bath for all the 12 months. If a person does not take a morning bath in Shravan month, then the benefit of this bathing in all the 12 months becomes fruitless. Hey Mahadev, O Daya Sindhu, I will take bath early in the morning in the month of Shravan. O Lord, make me free from obstacles. After taking bath in the morning and worshipping Lord Shiva, one should listen to the Satkatha of Shravan month with devotion every day. An intelligent person spends his month in this manner only. The trend of other months is from Purnamashi Pratipada, but the trend of this month is from Pratipada of Amavasya. Who can describe the greatness of the story of Shravan month? In this month, by fasting, bathing, listening to stories, etc., a widow of 7 types also gets a beautiful son. One who desires knowledge obtains it. One who desires strength gets strength. A sick man regains health. A person in bondage is free from bondage. One who desires wealth obtains it. A person develops love for religion, and the one who desires a wife gets a good wife. O Honorable, what is the point of saying more? Man gets whatever he wants, and after death, he attains my world and get bliss in my proximity. After narrating the story, the narrator should be worshipped with clothes, ornaments, etc. The one who has satisfied the narrator has pleased me. After listening to the significance of Shravan month, the one who does not worship the narrator, Yamraj pierces his ears and he becomes deaf in the next birth. Therefore, the narrator should be worshipped according to one's ability. The person who recites or listens to or narrates the significance of this Shravan month with great devotion gets infinite virtues. Thus, in the Sri Sakand Puran, in the conversation with God Sanat Kumar in the significance of the month of Shravan, the 27th chapter, titled River, Menstruation, Leo, Cow Breeding, Leo, Cancer, Shravan Stuti, Vachak Puja Katha, is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.